Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, got the breakdown, which I talked about on the video from Monday. Talked about this parrot pattern here. Price came down here, rejected by the trend line, broke down through that bottom part, came all the way down there. But to give credit's due, now a very impressive recovery back to the upside. So that's the overall context of things. Is you do have that breakdown, and that's also why I'm going to get rid of that level. It served its purpose for now, but the question really becomes, and is circled all around this bounce right here. I mean, still a lot more work that needs to be done, but this is a very impressive bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area moving forward, right here at 44.50. Why is that level so important? And I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just explanation's sake standpoint, if the price were to come down to 44.50, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But also, to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as 44.50. As far as areas of resistance, still all about that trend line there, so nothing has changed from that regard. Continue to watch that resistance trend line moving forward. But all in all, no doubt about it, nice little bounce here today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.